In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively highlight text in a Google Slides presentation to make your content stand out and grab your audience's attention. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Adding emphasis to your text can be a game changer in making key points more visually appealing and easy to follow for your audience. Whether you want to spotlight an entire text box or just specific parts of your text, I've got you covered. First, let's talk about highlighting the entire text box. Imagine you have a text box full of important information that you want to stand out on your slide. To do this, start by selecting the text box you wish to emphasize. Simply click on the border of the text box and you'll see it highlighted, indicating it's selected. Once it's selected, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your Google Slides interface. Look for the paint bucket icon, which represents fill color. By clicking on this icon, a palette of colors will appear, allowing you to choose the color that best suits your presentation's theme and mood. Now, here's an added bonus for customizing your presentation further. If you need the text or background of the slide to show through the colored highlight, you can adjust the transparency. To do this, go to Format Options, then select Fill Color, and finally, Custom. From there, you'll be able to fine-tune the transparency level to get just the right look you're aiming for. Next, let's tackle highlighting just part of the text within the same text box. This could be useful if there are particular words or phrases you want to draw attention to without overshadowing the rest of your content. To achieve this, simply select the specific words or phrases you want to emphasize by clicking and dragging your cursor over them. Once selected, head back to the toolbar. This time, you'll need to click the small arrow right next to the text color icon. You might notice a highlight color or a background color option pop up. It's important to note that depending on your version or settings, this option might appear slightly differently or be labeled differently. Finally, what's crucial here is ensuring good contrast for readability. So make sure the text color you've chosen doesn't clash with the highlight color. The goal is to have a combination that is easy to read at a glance. And there you have it. Easy steps to make your presentation visually engaging and focused. By following these guidelines, you'll be able to enhance your text in Google Slides effectively, making your message clear and your presentation memorable for your audience.